Hey Tectonic family, did you know that over 70% of internet users say that website speed affects their purchase decisions? That's right, speed matters. So, if you're looking to enhance your front-end development skills in 2024, you've clicked on the right video. In this video, you'll discover the latest trends and essential skills in front-end development that can really set you apart in the tech industry. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned developer, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about something that many developers face. Keeping up with the rapid advancements in front-end technologies and frameworks. It's a bit overwhelming, right? New frameworks pop up every year, and older ones keep evolving. If you're not on top of your game, it can really hinder your career growth. You might find yourself stuck using outdated tools while your peers zoom ahead, and that can be pretty frustrating. Now, let's explore the most in-demand skills for front-end developers in 2024. First up is React. If you haven't heard of it, where have you been? React is still dominating the scene, and it's a must-know for any serious front-end developer. Then we have Angular, a comprehensive framework by Google for building dynamic web applications. Using TypeScript, Angular's robust tools and two-way data binding are ideal for large-scale projects. But it's not just about the frameworks. Responsive design is key because users access websites from all sorts of devices these days. You want your site to look great on a phone, tablet, or desktop. And let's not forget about accessibility. Making your website accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities, is not just a good practice, it's the right thing to do. So, mastering these concepts will make you a well-rounded developer in 2024. Now, here's the key insight you'll gain. Leveraging these skills isn't just about improving your own projects, it's also about boosting your employability in a competitive job market. Employers are on the lookout for developers who can create fast, responsive, and accessible websites. So, when you invest your time in learning these skills, you're not just ticking boxes. You're building a portfolio that stands out, and let's face it, who doesn't want to land their dream job? So, in summary, focusing on the right tools, frameworks, and best practices can significantly enhance your front-end development capabilities for 2024. By keeping pace with the latest trends and honing your skills, you'll set yourself up for success in this ever-evolving field. So there you have it, a deep dive into front-end development and the tech stacks that power it. Whether you're starting out or leveling up, understanding these tools is crucial for building modern, responsive web applications. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more insights, and comment below what's your go-to front-end stack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.